Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to continue with the making a calculator using ChatGPT and make it more enhanced. Open Google Chrome and open ChatGPT CodePen in two separate tabs and CodePen for the editing of the code. Now in the ChatGPT prompt type add multiplication operation in it and a RGB color, which changes automatically like a RGB keyboard to enhance it. Now it will generate the code. Wait for some time. Now click on Copy Code option and paste this code in the CodePen.io HTML section. Now you can see that it has added the multiplication function, but I don't like the background color. That's why I will tell ChatGPT to add RGB colors to the number keys. Now it will generate the code as per my demand. Copy this code and paste it in the CodePen.io HTML section by replacing the older code. Now you can see that it has added the RGB color in the number keys, but I don't like this color. That's why I tell him to add the same RGB color in the borders of the number keys while removing the colors from the text of the numbers. Now copy the code, which was generated by ChatGPT, and paste it in the HTML section of CodePen.io. And the results are in front of you. Thanks for watching. If you get to learn something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.